Now, this is a video on how to get SLOTHANA. So I just sold some of my SOLARA. SOLARA's doing crazy. Imagine 329%. It's doing crazy. But if you go into SLOTHANA's website, and I reckon that they're waiting because we don't know when they're gonna launch, but I reckon that they are waiting for 10 million because this is very linked. It's like the other one that done really well, I believe, was it Slurf. Let's have a look. The other one that done really well was Surf, but they made a mistake of burning all their things. But they launched really well and got 10 billion. So I'm thinking they might be trying to match that because this coin is even. And Slurf was on the news. Let's see, SLOTHANA. If you Google them, investors eyeing 100x growth. Traders think this new meme can go. So it's all this news. It's all about price speculation, because remember, these are meme coins, so they don't have a actual value. It's all about community. But one thing we know about the meme market, it definitely is making money. Like every weekend I've been making crazy gains, so make sure you follow the Telegram group and see some of the things that we've been investing in. But here we see one soul is 10,000. And what else it says, the final is the latest Solana meme coin that traders believe. And they don't have a hard cap or soft cap, so they could stop the pre-sale at any time. So it is all price speculation, but I like the fact of how much people have invested in it. Like it can create, because of numbers, that is crazy strength in community. So here we see, although we can't be certain, rumor has it that SLOTHANA was built by the same team that bought are smug. If this is true, then the chance of an early investment in SLOTHANA returning 100x increase exponentially. Smug pumped 7,500% from its pre-sale price to its all-time high, earning early investors a whopping 75x. So imagine you just put £10, you would have 750. If you put £100, you would have 7,000 and 500 from £100. That's if it does 75x though, but it's crazy. But some of these other ones I've been in, they've literally been doing 5x. It's like I used to see these stories of people making crazy money. At least now I'm getting some of that, but let's see how to get it. So if you go on the SLOTHANA site, and you can find them on the Twitter. It says press buy now, but that never works for me. So I could just send it direct to this address. So I can copy and paste this, go to my SOLFLARE wallet, go send, and I want to send Solana. I'm going to click one, paste the address there, and press send. And it's as simple as that. Although Solana has been having some transaction issues, but let's see if it will confirm while I'm on the recording. Selling hasn't been that bad. It's more buying. There's been issues with buying, especially some of those meme coins. So what I tried to do was buy like less in multiple smaller orders than a bigger order. But that's basically how you do it. Still saying confirming transaction. So we don't know when they're gonna launch, but when they launch, it's got great pumpamentals. So make sure you add my Telegram, check out my products, and invite others to make some money. Now, oh, see, so it's completed. So we're done. Now, how do I stop recording?